Hello, this Millennium Falcon is made out of paper. It took about a month to make. This piece has 8 LED lights installed, 3 in the back, 4 on the bottom, and 1 in the cockpit. A remote control turns on the rear thrusters. It has retractable landing gear that supports the weight of the Falcon. The hull of the vessel is very solid because I layered the paper many times, and all you have to do is twist the bottom LED lights to turn them on and off. It has 2 gun turrets on the top and bottom that rotate and pivot up and down. The satellite dish also rotates and tilts up and down. Also, the right side bay door opens and closes. And as you can see, the cockpit light cuts on and off. Finally, I have some pictures documenting my process. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you would like to see more of my work and observe the process to make these paper constructs, please like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any suggestions of what you would like to see me make next, then put them in the comment section below. Also, please click the box to check out my next video. Until next time, remember, with art it's not the destination, it's the journey.